Right, today's Saturday, September 8th, 2018, and I did a little more work on this rotisserie. In order to get this car on its side, you have to really max this thing out. So you have to go to the third hole here, You see how close a fit it is, so I think that's about as good as I'm going to want to get it. I'm not trying to flip this thing all the way 360. But today, in a little bit here, I'm going to fire up my plasma. I'm going to cut this out more because this little flange edge won't let my little template sit flush. So I'm going to chop this up. I wanted to show the floorboard, so it's real dry. It's really solid, man. I'm really impressed with this car. The trunk pan, I mean, it's not even really dented. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this mobile sandblast dude come out here. I haven't called him yet, but my buddy did. He said he'd come out here and sandblast this floor pan for $120 on site. So I'm thinking I'm just going to wheel it out there to the street and let him go to town, pay him the $100, and then shoot it with epoxy the same day. But instead of me sitting here with a wire wheel and all that for the whole weekend, I'd rather just pay the $100. I mean, it's not a whole lot of money. But I'm pretty excited because I can flip this thing at any angle and really block it down good and really see. And a little filler there. But you can really see, you know, when you get it at the right angle. Like that door's pretty straight. So might have him go ahead and do this trunk also in the hood. Throw that in there. I did order some SPI, Southern Polyurethane Epoxy, some 2K. Ordered another gallon of clear, a gallon of wax and grease remover, a gallon of reducer. So I got 2K, 2 full gallon sprayable. I got half a gallon of epoxy, and then a gallon of clear. So all I need is color. So stay tuned.